Is right now the best time to buy Palantir Technologies? And where could the price be going next? Those are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video, and this is an update to a previous video I made on Palantir. In the previous video I gave these 3 price targets, and now that the price has moved we can see how these held up. This is where the price was when that previous video was recorded, around $82. And these 3 levels were the price targets I gave in that video. After the earnings, the price completely blew past the first 2 targets and found some resistance at the 3rd target. We then saw it trying to push past this level but couldn't hold, and we're seeing this retracement now. If you had seen that video and locked in some profits at this price, then you would currently be in a good position to buy back at a discount. So that's what has happened since the previous video, but where should we be looking to buy the dip now? To answer this question, we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So using the tool, if we go from this low here up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is when prices start retracing, they tend to find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. It looks like Palantir has found strong support at this level of the Fibonacci, making it a good area where you might want to consider getting in or averaging down. This level is around $76. The price has already come down here, but with support levels like this, we tend to see stocks coming down to test it multiple times. So if that does happen, that could be a good opportunity to potentially get into this stock. Looking at the price movement, we are seeing higher lows, so there is a chance the price may not come down here before making its move up. So another area where you might want to consider getting in is going to be around here. This is $86.97, around $87. So an entry strategy worth considering is getting in at this level and dollar cost averaging if the price comes back down to retest this support level. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy similar to what we did in the previous video by using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding Palantir or looking to get in. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water. So I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can do it too, I put together a free video explaining how I find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, around here, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is, as the price starts climbing up, these are the levels where we tend to see strong resistance. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in their profits around these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some levels where you might want to consider locking in some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $112. The next level is $123. And the level above this is $136. So locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you would like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.